Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to enable passwordless login on LastPass. So for that guys, first of all you will need to log into your account on lastpass.com and then get on the top right corner. Now here select your profile. Now select account settings. Now select passwordless options. Now select this button called enable passwordless. Now here are three ways through which you can enable your passwordless login option on your LastPass account. So after selecting one of these, you need to select on their setup button and then follow the instructions that they offer to you, and that's how you guys can successfully enable passwordless login on LastPass. So that's how you guys can do it, and that's it for the video now. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share this video with your family and friends, and also subscribe to our channel for more such content, and thanks for watching.